So if you pretend that this is an artery, right? This is an artery. What do arteries do? Arteries pump blood to all the parts and muscles of your body. It provides you with the blood. It's why this finger is red right now. It's not 'cause I'm angry. It's 'cause it's just blood. Blood goes everywhere. Goes to your toes, your little toes. Goes to your other toe, your other toes. It goes everywhere. To your hands, your muscles, your big, giant muscles. Look at me. And I don't have a shirt on, so inappropriate, but if you look here again, it goes everywhere. Got it. Now, the thing we gotta take in consideration is the veins. The veins, they suck all the blood from the hands to wherever the artery brought it to. The veins now suck it back to the heart. That's the little heart. Each time it pumps it back to the arteries through all the chambers of the heart. So, you see here, it sucks it up from the veins, goes into the heart, through the 4 chambers, bam, 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 then out through the aorta, back out to the body. It's that simple.